In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly add multiple rows to a spreadsheet when you're working in a tool like Excel or Google Sheets. This can be incredibly useful when you're managing large datasets or simply when you need more room to input new information. So let's dive right into it and transform this task into a breeze for you. To start, determine exactly how many rows you wish to add. The key here is selecting the exact number of existing rows that matches the number of new rows you'd like to introduce. So, for instance, if your goal is to add 10 new rows to your spreadsheet, make sure to select 10 existing rows first. A little tip: it might be easier to select rows that are already grouped together, so be sure to adjust your selection to capture that precise count. Once you have your desired number of rows selected, it's time to move on to the next step. With your selection in place, move your attention to doing a right-click on that selected area. If you're working on a mouse, you can simply do this with the right button. For those of you using a trackpad, you may need to click with 2 fingers or use the Ctrl key plus click as an alternative. This right-click action will open up a context menu, providing you with several options related to the rows you've highlighted. Next, from the menu that appears, you'll want to look for the Insert function. It might specifically say something along the lines of Insert 10 rows above or Insert 10 rows below, depending on your specific selection and preference. You'll usually find this option somewhere near the top of the list, making it relatively easy to find. If you accidentally chose the wrong place, don't worry. You can always undo the action or drag the new rows to where you need them once they've been added. Choose your option carefully to ensure the new rows appear exactly where you need them, be it above or below your selection. With just a click on your choice, voila! The new rows will appear almost instantly. It's a seamless operation and really enhances the flexibility of how you can manage and structure your data. This method is particularly efficient when you're working on large sets of data and need to frequently add rows without disrupting your entire layout. And there you have it, a straightforward way to add multiple rows to your spreadsheet in just a few clicks. I hope this helps streamline your workflow and makes your data management tasks just a little bit easier. Don't forget to save your work frequently as you go along. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on optimizing your digital workspace. Happy data organizing!